Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve practice set 1.2 question number 2 sub question 4. Okay. So let's solve this question. Now we have to solve this question graphically. So we'll put one value from our side and second value we'll get from the equation. Okay. So let's put x is equals to 0 in equation 1. So what we'll get when we put x is equals to 0? So this will be 3 into 0 minus y is equals to 2. This whole value will become 0 minus y is equals to 2. So the y will be equals to minus 2. So this will be minus 2. Solution will be 0 comma minus 2. Okay. Now let's put x is equals to minus 1 in equation 1. So what will get? 3 into minus 1 minus y is equals to 2. So this will be minus 3 minus y is equals to 2. So minus y is equals to 2 minus 3. Now this will be minus 3 will be shifted to this side. So this will be plus now. Okay. So minus y will be equals to 2 plus 3, 5. Now we have to find the value of y only. So y will be equals to minus 5. When x is equals to minus 1, y will be minus 5. Solution will be minus 1 comma minus 5. Now next, put x is equals to 1 in equation 1. So it will be 3 into 1 minus y is equals to 2. So 3 minus y is equals to 2 minus y is equals to 2 minus 3, because this is a positive value. So it will become negative on right hand side. Okay. So minus y equals to 2 minus 3, it will be minus 1. So y will be equals to 1. So when x is equals to 1, y is also 1. Solution will be 1 comma 1. Now let's solve second equation. So again we'll put x is equals to 0. Okay, these are the terms you can put 0, 1, minus 1 continuously in both equations. Okay, so it will be easier for you to solve the question. X is equals to 0 in equation 2. So if you put x is equals to 2, it will be 2 into 0 minus 1 y is equals to 3. So this whole value will become 0 minus y is equals to 3. So y will be equals to minus 3. So here we'll put 0 comma minus 3. Solution will be 0 comma minus 3. Next, put x is equals to 1 in equation 2. So what will get? 2 into 1 minus y is equals to 3. So it will be 2 minus y is equals to 3 minus y is equals to 3 minus 2. So here we'll solve. Minus y is equals to 1, y will be equals to minus 1. So when we put x is equals to 1, we'll get y is equals to minus 1. Solution will be 1 comma minus 1. And the last value, put x is equals to minus 1 in equation 2. So it will be 2 into minus 1 minus y is equals to 3. So it will be minus 2 minus y is equals to 3. So minus y is equals to 3 plus 2. minus y is equals to 5, y is equals to minus 5. So when x is equals to minus 1, y will become minus 5. Solution will be minus 1 comma minus 5. Got it everyone? Okay.